There are so many beautiful built-in decorative stitches on the Bernina 770 QE. How often do you really use yours? I'm combining one of these beautiful decorative stitches with piping. You can use a really thick cord and really thick fabric to make beautiful piping with the leather roller foot, foot number 55. The cord is covered with neon green felt. Watch how the leather roller foot allows one to stitch right up against the cord. I'm going to insert piping between two layers of navy blue felt, which means it's really bulky. When you sew the fabric on, the roller guides the fabric through and the needle almost touches the cord. You can use the piping just like this, but trim away some of the excess fabric or it will be very bulky. You can now choose a decorative stitch. And what fun it is to use a decorative stitch so close to the piping. It will give any article that special, finished off look. The leather roller foot, foot number 55, is such a versatile foot. I just love it.